Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Nirbhai missile was test fired for the first time during March 2013 from the integrated test range at Chandipur in Balasore district of Odisha. This maiden flight of Nirbhai was not a successful one as the missile veered away from its trajectory, forcing the command center to detach the engine from the missile and destroy it in mid-flight. Not only the first flight, there had been many more tests which happened with these Nirbhai missiles, and most of the results were not as expected. Few trials were also postponed due to launcher problems or due to climatic conditions. Due to many such issues, the Nirbhai cruise missile program was totally scrapped, but the technology of seeker and booster propulsion was carried out in the indigenous technology cruise missile to further test, increase, and validate the indigenous content in the missile system. This also includes the testing of 4.25 kN thrust turbofan engine which is developed by GTRE. DRDO is doing all possible things to test the troubled Nirbhai missile under a different name which is Indigenous Technology Cruise Missile. The ITCM is a derivative of Nirbhai cruise missile with the indigenously developed Manik engine. So what actually is a long-range land attack cruise missile then? So let me tell the difference between ITCM and LR-LACM. The Indigenous Technology Cruise Missile is just a technological demonstrator program to test and validate the Manik engine, which is also known as Small Turbofan Engine. The standard Nirbhai subsonic cruise missile is powered by a Russian NPO Saturn 36MT engine, whereas the Indigenous Technology Cruise Missile is powered using GTRE's STFE Manik turbofan engine. Once the 4.25 kN thrust turbofan engine is evaluated, it would eventually find its way into the long-range land attack cruise missile that DRDO is developing for Indian Navy. These long-range land attack cruise missiles will have a range of over 1000 km and it can be launched from the same launcher that is used by the BrahMos missile, which are already installed over 30 naval warships of Indian Navy. So to be more precise, ITCM is just a testbed program which uses Nirbhai airframes, and its main intention is to test and validate the STFE engine that was planned for the subsonic flight of the missile. And once this is validated, it would eventually go into the long-range land attack cruise missile of the Indian Navy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.